Essay on Health is Wealth. Introduction. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy and wise. The two terms health and wealth can't be segregated in real life. Health leads to wealth, and in bad health, when people wealth is pointless. An unhealthy man cannot enjoy what his wealth has to offer him: vacations, great food, going out. You first need to be healthy, and then wealth shall follow. Why is health important? Health is important. It's very crucial to one's well being. And being healthy doesn't mean staying slim only. There are other parameters too. The person with a healthy mind and body is the only to be called healthy. With physical fitness, mental well-being is also important. There are so many ailments in the modern world like depression, anxiety, sickness. They all are a threat to one's well-being, hence health. Mental and physical health are in parallels. You can't ignore either of them. Reasons why we go unhealthy. If we analyze deep, we shall realize that physical and mental health are interlinked. You can't be mentally ill and properly healthy with the physical part, or even vice versa. We become unhealthy due to our lazy habits, reckless attitude, bad eating habits, unhygienic lifestyle, and many more factors aid to it. Eating too much junk food and sitting all the day in front of the screen is one of the major reasons why people are becoming unhealthy in this age. This age is blessed and cursed with smartphones. When people overuse those tools of ease, they put themselves in trouble. By living in unhygienic surroundings, by not cleaning yourself regularly, by disturbed sleep cycles and appetite, diseases are most possible then. How to healthy and wealthy? We should try to eat the food which is good for our health and rich in nutrients. We should also exercise regularly or indulge in some physical activity, some sports, walking, running, whatever that's comfortable with one. One should also keep oneself involved in self-recollection activities like, say, one's hobbies, etc. Hobbies keep your heart young. Try to lead a stress-free life of learning to tackle stress. Conclusion of the essay. You can't be happy when you're not healthy. In fact, health is your real wealth. There is no value of material wealth without health. People get so engrossed into things that they forget about the primary thing: their health. Health requires care, attention, and proper management of your routine, food habits, thoughts, everything that affects you. For one's prosperity, the need for both mental and physical health is essential.